today's AI overview. I'm Sarah, and I'm here with Mike. We're diving into some exciting developments from around the world. Ready to get started, Mike?
Absolutely, Sarah. What's first on our list today?
Kicking things off, AstraZeneca is making a big move in Bengaluru with a 166 crore investment to expand their global hub. This expansion is set to create 400 new jobs and will focus on leveraging AI for innovation in R&D, clinical research, and digital health. It's all part of their plan to deliver 20 new medicines by 2030.
That sounds like a significant step forward. Why Bengaluru, though?
Great question. Bengaluru is becoming a major hub for science and biotechnology, which makes it an ideal location. Plus, the new facility will be powered by 75% green energy and aims for LEED Platinum certification, highlighting their commitment to sustainability.
Interesting developments. What's next?
Next, we have Audos, a New York-based venture launched by Henrik Werdelin, co-founder of Prehype. Audos uses AI to help entrepreneurs build million-dollar companies without needing technical skills. They take a 15% revenue share instead of equity, aiming to democratize entrepreneurship.
So anyone can start a business with Audos, even without technical know-how.
Exactly, Mike. They've already helped launch hundreds of small businesses, or Donkeycorns, which are more accessible than the typical venture-backed startups.
That's a fascinating approach. What's up next?
Axiom Space has signed a memorandum of understanding with India's Skyroot Aerospace to advance space exploration. This partnership will focus on collaborative opportunities to enhance access to low Earth orbit, building on Axiom's recent mission with an Indian astronaut to the ISS.
It seems like a big deal for India's space sector. How will this benefit both parties?
By leveraging Skyroot's capabilities, they'll create integrated launch and orbital solutions serving both Indian and global markets, which will contribute to the growing space economy.
Exciting times for space exploration. What's our next topic?
We're moving on to Biography Studio AI, created by Brad Lindenberg, co-founder of Quadpay. This platform generates full-length biographies from voice prompts, and Brad built it solo in just 8 weeks using no-code AI tools.
That's impressive. How does this fit into the broader trend of AI development?
It's part of a growing trend called vibe coding, where individuals can build complex applications quickly and affordably without any coding experience.
That's a game changer for sure. What's next on our list?
Bosch is investing over 2.5 billion euros in AI by 2027, focusing heavily on automated driving. They project future sales of related components to exceed 10 billion euro, but are critical of Europe's regulatory environment, which they feel is stifling AI progress.
So, they're feeling the heat from other regions like the US.
Exactly, Mike. Bosch's CEO has pointed out that excessive regulations make Europe less attractive for AI development, especially with the aggressive strategies employed by the US.
Tough competition out there. What's next?
Andreessen Horowitz has invested $15 million in Cluely, a startup known for its rage bait marketing strategy. They believe that in the AI era, momentum is key, and Cluely's approach is all about creating viral controversy to build a massive audience.
So they're banking on the idea that any publicity is good publicity.
Exactly. It's a high-risk strategy, but they believe that building hype and capturing market attention can lead to success, even if the product isn't fully developed yet.
That's a bold move. What's our next topic?
CoreWeave's co-founder, Michael Intrator, has seen his net worth surge to about $10 billion since the company's IPO. Despite a smaller-than-hoped-for public offering, the stock soared nearly 300%, driven by its AI cloud services built on NVIDIA GPUs.
But they have significant debt and reported a net loss. right?
Yes, but they've attracted major clients like OpenAI, symbolizing the high-risk, high-reward nature of the AI industry.
It's a wild ride in the AI world. What's next?
DeepMind has launched AlphaGenome, an AI model that predicts how DNA variants affect gene regulation. This model focuses on the vast non-coding regions of the genome and has outperformed existing models, providing a powerful tool for researchers.
That sounds revolutionary for genomics and healthcare.
Absolutely, Mike. It's available via API for non-commercial research and aims to accelerate discoveries in these fields.
What's next on our agenda?
DeepSeek's upcoming AI model, R2, is facing significant setbacks in China due to U.S. export restrictions on essential NVIDIA H20 chips. Their models are highly optimized for NVIDIA's architecture, making alternatives unviable at scale.
So they're really feeling the pinch from these restrictions.
Definitely, Mike. This chip shortage limits the model's scalability in China, while international companies don't face such constraints.
That's a tough situation. What's next?
Germany's Data Protection Commissioner has asked Apple and Google to remove DeepSeek from their app stores due to illegal data transfers to China. This follows similar scrutiny in other countries over data security concerns.
So, they're in hot water over privacy issues.
Yes, and it reflects growing concerns in Europe and the US about data security and DeepSeek's ties to the Chinese military.
Privacy is a big issue these days. What's next?
Ericsson is expanding its R&D operations in Bengaluru to enhance its capabilities in ASIC development. This will add over 150 jobs and reinforce Bengaluru as a key hub for their semiconductor design.
It seems like Bengaluru is really becoming a tech powerhouse.
Absolutely, Mike. This investment strengthens India's semiconductor ecosystem and complements Ericsson's other strategic efforts, including a new 6G research program in Chennai.
Exciting times for Bengaluru. What's next?
Google's been busy improving its AI-powered Ask Photos feature, combining the speed of classic search with AI for more complex queries. They've also launched Doppel, an experimental app for virtual try-ons.
So they're really pushing the envelope on AI applications.
Indeed, Mike. These innovations show Google's commitment to enhancing user experiences through AI, even though the fit and appearance in Doppel may not always be accurate.
Very cool. What's our next topic?
HCL Tech has launched new consulting and implementation services for Salesforce Agentforce, targeting industries like finance, healthcare, and retail. This aims to streamline workflows across sales, marketing, and service operations.
So they're helping businesses transition from basic chatbots to more sophisticated AI.
Exactly, Mike. This initiative is about creating intelligent and connected agent ecosystems to enhance efficiency.
That's a smart move. What's next on our list?
Inception Labs has launched Mercury, claiming it as the fastest commercial-scale diffusion large language model. It matches the performance of GPT 4.1 Nano, but operates significantly faster.
Faster performance sounds like a big advantage.
It is, Mike. Mercury's diffusion architecture allows for rapid iteration and error correction during text generation, making it a standout in the field.
That's impressive innovation. What's next?
Meta is aggressively pursuing top AI talent to regain its leadership position. CEO Mark Zuckerberg is personally involved, offering massive signing bonuses and attempting to acquire startups like Safe Superintelligence.
It sounds like they're really going all out to secure the best talent.
Absolutely, Mike. Despite setbacks, Meta's strategy highlights the intense talent-driven nature of the current AI race.
What's next on our agenda?
Meta is reportedly in discussions to acquire Play AI, a startup specializing in voice cloning technology. This potential deal would bolster Meta's consumer-facing AI features.
How would this acquisition fit into Meta's broader strategy?
It would enhance their creative suite for social platforms, adding advanced audio capabilities and strengthening their AI talent pool.
Sounds like a strategic move. What's next?
NES Data PV Ltd is launching advanced edge and containerized data centers across India. These centers aim to democratize data access, particularly for underserved Tier 2 and remote cities.
So they're focusing on bringing data solutions to more areas.
Exactly, Mike. These compact, power-efficient centers provide scalable, low-latency solutions for AI and real-time applications, addressing the limitations of traditional data centers.
That's a great initiative. What's next?
The team from Crossing Minds, specializing in AI-powered recommendation systems, is joining OpenAI. This move is expected to enhance OpenAI's capabilities, reflecting a trend of AI giants absorbing specialized talent.
So, it's about strengthening their team with focused expertise.
Precisely, Mike. This acquisition aligns with OpenAI's mission to ensure artificial general intelligence benefits humanity.
What's next on our list?
Pearson has announced a multi-year partnership with Google Cloud to develop AI-powered learning tools. These tools aim to provide personalized learning experiences for primary and secondary school students.
How will this partnership benefit students and teachers?
The tools will adapt to each student's pace and needs, helping teachers track performance and customize lessons more effectively.
That's a fantastic educational initiative. What's next?
PepsiCo is deploying Salesforce's Agentforce platform to integrate autonomous AI agents into its global operations. This collaboration aims to improve field operations, customer support, and sales.
So they're using AI to enhance efficiency across their operations.
Exactly, Mike. By unifying customer data with Salesforce's tools, PepsiCo will gain real-time inventory visibility and deliver personalized marketing.
Sounds like a smart move. What's next?
Skyroot Aerospace has appointed former ISRO chairman Sridhara Panikkar Somanath as its chief technical advisor. This comes as they prepare for the maiden orbital flight of their Vikram 1 launch vehicle.
That's a significant appointment for Skyroot.
Absolutely, Mike. Somanath's expertise will significantly support India's growing private space sector.
Exciting times for space exploration. What's next?
The World Economic Forum has named 10 Indian startups in its 2025 Technology Pioneers cohort. These companies are making breakthroughs in fields like space tech, AI-powered robotics, and logistics.
It seems like India is really becoming a tech innovation hub.
Indeed, Mike. This recognition highlights India's growing role in global tech innovation.
That's impressive recognition. What's next?
India has become the world's second most targeted nation for cybercrime, with financial losses from these crimes soaring to 22,812 crore in 2024. Attackers are increasingly using AI and malicious QR codes to exploit India's mobile payment ecosystem.
That's alarming. How is it affecting different areas?
The threat is expanding beyond urban centers into rural and tribal areas, revealing a critical gap between digital access and cybersecurity awareness.
Cybersecurity is a major concern. What's next?
India has launched an advanced traffic management system on Delhi's Dwarka Expressway. This AI-driven framework uses high-resolution cameras and sensors for constant surveillance and real-time traffic updates.
How does this system improve road safety?
It detects offenses like speeding and not wearing seatbelts, aiming to improve safety and driver behavior. It's a model for future smart highways.
That's a significant step for road safety. What's next?
The Dutch government has committed 70 million euros to build a new AI plant in Groningen. This facility will become a key European research hub for AI technologies across various sectors.
How does this fit into Europe's broader strategy?
It's part of a strategy to strengthen Europe's AI infrastructure, and the plant is expected to be fully operational by early 2027.
That's exciting for Europe. What's our final topic?
The Trump administration is preparing executive actions to boost the U.S. energy supply to power AI expansion. This includes streamlining permitting and offering federal land for data center construction.
So it's about meeting the electricity demand from data centers.
Exactly, Mike. These efforts are part of a broader strategy to maintain a technological edge over China. Wow, what a whirlwind of developments. Thanks for guiding us through, Sarah. Anytime, Mike, and thank you to our listeners for joining us on TAO Today's AI Overview. Stay curious, and see you next time.